Hello everyone, happy Sephora Play Bag. Alright, so if you guys don't watch my Fabletics videos that explains this situation, long story short, had a baby 30 days ago, got to wash my hair, no way I have time to straighten it or do makeup or anything like that. Cute baby noises, gonna be happening. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so jumping into the things that I got last month. So last month everything came in this 2018 bag, super cute. First thing was this Caviar Anti-Aging Shampoo and Conditioner sample packets. This broke my scalp out really bad. I would not be buying it. I love trying things like this so that I know that ahead of time. It helps on not wasting your money on full-size stuff. Next was this Glam Glow Super Cleanse. So I had thought this was the mask, but this is the face wash. Alright, so I had a crying baby, so I'm going to try to do this with one hand because she just wants to be held, so no big deal. Alright, so this broke me out like crazy. And I had tried the black one as well in the past, and that one also broke me out. So for some reason, their face washes, something in them breaks me out, but their masks don't, so that's weird. I'm gonna have to figure out what ingredient that is that does that. So next thing was the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. I used this up. This is one of my favorite eye creams I've tried. I don't have a need for eye cream, so I wouldn't purchase it right now, but I would purchase it in the future. It is great cooling, like a great daytime eye cream. Makeup goes over it great. Next was the Fresh Rose Floral Toner. I didn't use a whole lot of this, mostly because I had a baby and my skincare routine went from basically wash, moisturize, done, because there's no time for anything. But I love this product. I used it a little bit before I had her, and I would definitely use this again. Great toner. I love the rose scent. It's not overpowering. Next is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, and I didn't use this because every Smashbox primer I have tried in the past has broken me out horribly, like giant welts, not just like little pimples. So I'm just going to pass this on. I am definitely just not going to try any Smashbox things primer-wise because it's just not worth it. And then the last thing was this Lancome mascara base, and I really liked this. It was a white one, but the next coat of mascara took off the white no problem. Does really like voluminize, lengthen your mascara or your eyelashes. Looks great if you have time for that extra step. So I did use this like a good week, maybe two, before I had the baby, and I was still, you know, wearing makeup. So yeah, that was a fun thing to try, and I would definitely like use it up if it doesn't go bad before I start wearing makeup again. Alright, so jumping into this month. Okay, this is going to be hard to do with one hand. So it is, it says Feel the Love, and it's got pink, and I'm thinking it's in the shape of a heart. Let me just see. Yeah, so it's a cute little girl in the shape of a heart. That's awesome. Play for the Valentine's, February. Alright, so first thing is Chloe perfume. And I'm pretty sure I've tried this perfume before. I can't remember. It smells really good, regardless of whether I tried it or not. I can't remember. It's just a very light, fresh scent. So I will definitely use that someday when I start wearing perfume again. Next is Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm. Ooh, that's exciting. I love eye cream, so I'm excited to try that. Next is a Sephora Rouge Matte Lipstick, and it's in color M11 Rebel Chic. So let me see if I can get that opened to take a look at it. Oh, it kind of comes in this like sleek matte packaging. That's nice. And, oh no, the tip got like squished, but it looks like a really pretty color. I can't really swatch it. It's kind of like a rusty maroon, so like a rusty berry. So I'm excited to try that. That's actually like a pretty color. It's kind of weird for this time of year though. It's more of a fall color. All All right, next is a NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. Ooh, it's in the color Let's Go Crazy, and I love these if this is the product I think it is. Yes, so it's these like chubby crayons, and it looks like it's hot pink. That's exciting. Ooh, hot pink. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try that. I love it. That's definitely making me ready for spring. Next thing is Rose Gold Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Contour. Exciting. I've tried one of these in the past, I think, and they were really good. I love eyeshadow sticks. So easy. Definitely the kind of thing that I'm going to be looking for when I am going back to work, because I'm going to want fast makeup. I'm not going to try to take the thing off with one hand, and since I can't swatch anyway with one hand, it's fine. All right, so then the last thing is Green Clean Pharmacy Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. I actually had gotten this as a sample from Sephora last time I ordered, and I loved it, and I had forgotten to write down what it was so that I could buy it. I saw that it actually was on Sephora as one of the samples that I had bought, so that was really exciting that I could still see what it was, but I didn't repurchase it, so yay, I have another sample to use. That's exciting. All right, well, that is everything that I got in this month's Sephora bag. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.